You click Buy Now. A confirmation page appears. It feels as though the store has placed your item in a box immediately. In reality, that click starts several digital systems that must agree before anyone touches the product. The page gathers the product, quantity, price, delivery address, shipping method, tax, discounts, and payment choice into an order request. The store checks whether the item is still available. The stock shown on your screen may be a cached estimate, so the system must compare it with current inventory. Some stores reserve inventory as soon as checkout begins. Others wait until payment is authorized. The timing prevents two customers from buying the final unit. The price is checked again on the server. This prevents an old browser tab or altered page from submitting an invalid amount. Discounts and gift cards are validated. Usage limits, expiration dates, eligible products, and remaining balances all matter. Tax is calculated using the product, seller, buyer location, and applicable rules. It may be estimated earlier and finalized at checkout. Shipping options are calculated from inventory location, package properties, carrier services, destination, and promised delivery time. Now the payment system creates a transaction request. Sensitive payment details are typically handled by a specialized payment service rather than exposed to every store system. The payment service may replace card details with a token, a safer reference that the store can use without keeping the full number. The request travels through payment networks to the bank or account that can approve it. Fraud systems evaluate signals such as device, location, account history, address, purchase pattern, and transaction speed. The bank checks whether the account is valid and whether enough credit or funds are available. It may also require an extra identity check. Approval usually means the amount is authorized or reserved. The money has not necessarily completed its journey to the seller. A declined payment sends an error back through the same chain. The store may let you retry, choose another method, or correct information. If payment is approved, the store creates an official order record with a unique identifier. A checkout page may redirect you to "Thank you," but that browser page is not reliable enough to run fulfillment by itself. Instead, the payment service sends a server-to-server event, often called a webhook, confirming that the checkout completed. The store records that event and makes the handler safe to repeat. Networks retry messages, so the same event must not create duplicate shipments. Inventory is committed. If stock is spread across locations, an order management system chooses the warehouse or store that can fulfill it. The order may be split. One item ships nearby, another from a distant warehouse, and a third may come directly from a supplier. The customer receives an email or app notification. This message is generated from the order record, not from a person watching the purchase. A warehouse system releases work to a picking queue. It groups orders to reduce walking and may optimize the route through shelves. The worker or robot scans each location and product. Scans confirm that the correct unit enters the correct order. At packing, the system may select a box size, add protection, include documents, and weigh the finished parcel. A carrier label is created. It contains routing information and a tracking identifier that will follow the package through the network. The first tracking status may simply mean label created. It does not prove that the carrier has the parcel yet. When the carrier scans the package, tracking begins to reflect physical movement through hubs, trailers, aircraft, and local facilities. Separately, the seller captures and later settles the payment according to its setup. Fees, refunds, and payout schedules affect the final deposit. If inventory fails, fraud is detected, or fulfillment cannot proceed, the order may be canceled and the authorization released or refunded. The simple status, order confirmed, therefore represents agreement among pricing, inventory, tax, shipping, payment, fraud, and order systems. So after buy now, your item does not leap into a truck. First, data proves the order is valid. Then people and machines turn that digital promise into a physical delivery.